And here we have the first movement of the day, and it is a class 175. Bound for South Wales. As for where, we'll find out shortly. 175, 106 off to... It still says Manchester Piccadilly on that, so we're not really going to get a hint off that. We will look though. I'll have a look now. Next up on the fast line is a slightly more boring class 150. 152. Coming back on Manchester Piccadilly's answer to the Colne service, Manchester Piccadilly to Chester. Coming in now is a Manchester Piccadilly bound 331. And it is 331-103. Challenging it from the 333, and there's an Avanti here. This is going to be a challenge. This is going to be a challenge. But we're up for it. Raring to go for our first Avanti of the day. This should be 391.36. So yeah, no new livery. Not yet. I'll probably never see that. 391.36. Still displaying the city of Coventry name. Whilst we've got 331-103. And out goes 331-103, bound for Manchester Piccadilly. Next stop, of course, is Manchester Piccadilly. With another newie back down there from Manchester Airport. Well, 331-103. And yeah, started well this session. Next in now is the service I would have been on had I have not got to Bolton early. And I just had to settle for a 150 all the way down here. So this is the Southport to Alderley Edge. I nearly said Wigan to Alderley Edge there then, as that's what I'm used to. 150, 140 and the 150-2 on the rate. That is 150-20. Here we go, got some Avanti action here now as well. $391.19. Everybody's favourite. Everybody's favourite 390, 391.19. Now off this 150, 140, 150, 220. Bound for Alderley Edge. Next up, stop. Next stop for that will of course be Heaton Chapel, followed by Stockport. I don't know why the hell this doesn't stop here going north, but it doesn't. And it shafts me a little bit really, because I've only got one service that goes up to Bolton from here. This now should be an EMR, and it looks like just 1158. Oh, that bound all the way for Norwich. No thank you. And it isn't that special little livery, or the Beringer Clone 156909, like you'd get that up here anyway. 158799. And that is bound for Norwich with no company. Just 158799 on its own. I just looked back over that East Midlands clip there, and let's be honest. Oh my God, that was a pretty bad clip. Yeah, wow. And it tilted the whole time. So rather than it being an East Midlands 158, it's an East Midlands Railway rocket. It's East Midlands' new space programme. It was almost like I'd have a second-hand Ashton underline, and no one wants that. Because that video was embarrassing. Right, got a 323 here now. Is this passing? It's passing. 323, 237. And the absolutely brilliant Chester service. Not being sarcastic one bit there. 152.10 and 323.237. Coming up now is a class 323. I'm really not going to kneel down this time, because if Northern launched a space programme, let's face it, it'd be cancelled every week. Or delayed. Just keep getting delayed all the time. Bound for Stoke-on-Trent is a 323. Bound for SOT, Stoke-on-Trent. Look at the speed of this Voyager, it's flying through. Absolutely flying through. And if you can't already tell, I'm being sarcastic, it's crawling through us. I don't know why it's going so slowly, but it is. We've got a cross-country bound for Manchester Piccadilly. 221137. I thought this was 220 there then. I thought it said 220. 221137 with 331108, 008 also departing. Becoming more and more Chris Camaro every day I do this channel. Well, apparently you can't say Voyager numbers anymore. There was a tweet recently from Cross Country. Well, Cross Country replied to a tweet with, "We can't give numbers away anymore for security reasons." Guess this video's screwed then. Right, hopefully this isn't tilted. Not like the EMR that just flew straight up to space. Coming through now is a 185, and it is bound for Manchester Airport from Cleethorpes via the South Transpennine route. 185, and guess what, guys? It's another 119. It's another 119. Wow. The squad would be in their absolute element up here. Yeah. So the reason it did tilt, and it does sometimes tilt over to the side a little bit, I've literally got my phone in one hand and my camera in the other. It's pretty hard work. Again, we'll try not to do it, because obviously it's a bit, you know. Again, we're not at an airport here. We're at a railway station. But I guess it can't be as bad as the Ashton Underline video. Now, is this 39119 on its returning trip? If I don't watch out, it could be a journey to space. Hopefully not. We've got, I think it's 39119 on the way back up. Right, that's good enough. Right. One more. Oh, it's 020. A former regular in him. Yeah. A former regular 020. That must have been in Piccadilly before I even... Well, hang on, we've probably crossed it over on the journey. we did cross over a wee now on the journey. 119 will be back shortly, if we see it. Right, I'm finished with the knee wind down now, it's not happening now. Because that other Avanti almost ended up in space. 390, 130. No new Avanti livery today. So when the trains go down to the airport, you can actually hear them from down there. The airport line is probably a walk away from here, because you can see the junction just up there. And all the new is what's really annoying though about this is when a freight train turns up and it just turns off. Yeah, it's gutting that. I remember there was a 397 coming up last time and I was gutted I missed it. I thought it got cancelled, but it ran. Gutted. Right, we'll bin the pictures off for now. And it's 331-103 returning. Alright, going off now is 331-103. Is that a crew service possible? I don't check real time an awful lot, me, as you can probably tell. This is going to get bold, because there's a pair of 150s here. Giving me the horn. 152, 190. Oh no, no, it's 122. It's 122. I forgot there were even 150s in that livery. I thought they'd all been repainted by now. Right, so Levenshulme. I've enjoyed this, but it looks like I'll be going at the right time because it's starting to rain. I've enjoyed this today. This station in particular I think is really good. I enjoy coming here. Do I prefer this or Heaton Chapel? I would say Levenshulme, to be honest. Levenshulme's better for photos. With Heaton Chapel, the bridge gets in the way a little bit, but with Levenshulme, two really good vantage points. And as well the middle tracks. But, again, if you're like me and you film phone on one hand, camera on the other, just make sure your videos don't look like they're flying to space. Yeah. Other than that, Levenshulme has been a really good session. Birth of the whole space joke. And yeah, it's a station I'd more than be up for coming back to. Because there's just so much here. It's a lot of companies you see here as well. But yeah, I'm glad to be back. It's been busy this week. And yeah, there's not been as many videos. So, I don't think there's anything else due now, so I think we'll wrap it up here. So yeah, this has been Levenshulme. And yeah, on that note, Northwest Trace by 390, out.